Hey guys, welcome back. Carter, BitsBeTrippin in the office again, and we're our first day. This is our first day actually working in here with, the team and actually getting them in, tucked in. And let's take you through some of the stuff today. So we walked in and had these guys cranking today, and you guys can see this setup here. Here's what we're looking at. Getting the 1200 watt power supplies all ready to go. We're gonna be doing a couple, you can say a couple rig builds. So, these typical RX 470 8 gig cards. We're doing our testing here. You can see the test bench now finally just getting set up here. These guys to be able to test all the power supplies and make sure they're good to go. So this is again some temporary setup. We're waiting for our shelves to come in right here to where the guys can have some shelves and then some rolly racks under here. So we can kind of get this consolidated down and out and get it away from that window, because my basic idea was that they would have this room for just like the testing area and the pre-build stuff, and then in the warehouse we'll have some other setup out there, but we kind of got boxes and stuff in the way right now. The GPUs ready to go. These are all 478 gig GPUs, as we've cleaned up and have new thermal paste and pads on all these. So now these are, you can see the boys have wrote it on there, tested 478 gig. Now we have quite a bit of those still left to get through, and if we come out to the warehouse here, you guys will be able to see kind of our setup that we got going on here. We got quite a bit of GPUs setting up there, and some Red Devils, some housing stuff for those, and then boxes upon boxes of cables and power supplies. Got another gray matter there that needs to be cleaned up, and then kind of our rolly bins for we can kind of maintain order of what's going on. These nice little rolly cabinet bins for us to be able to move some of this hardware in to the main room there and be able to organize all of our stuff. So again, this is kind of a work in progress, my dudes. We're trying to get this. I'm actually holding this unwielding camera right now because I don't have my gimbals and stuff set up yet, but this is the setup, my dudes. So this is a service center. We're going to do all kinds of different builds here with you guys. We got like the water cooling setups. We got, you can see here, cards with fan issues, and then we got this guy in finally. So let's move this over here, and you guys can see what is that. And then you can get, look at this. So this is Fog Hashing's cooler right here. So this is an immersion kit, shipped in, freshly shipped into us for us to be able to check and test. So you guys can see that. It's got a little bit of residue on it still. But this is going to be an S19 immersion tank that we're going to put together. So this is the tank, and then the cooler is right here, the dry cooler that goes with this. This is a single unit test. And that is also coming up. And we got our dielectric fluids in there also. So it's going to be a pretty cool build. So if you guys are not liking, subscribing, and following, you guys are doing it wrong. We are almost there. I know I've been having a couple different videos like this, but I'm trying to give you guys an idea of just the build process that we're having to go through to get this stuff ready for you guys. It's insane. Like, we got this warehouse almost all the way there to get this place set up to allow people to come in here and work. We got our fridge in today too. Looking forward to filling that up with some good stuff for the guys. And then got the cabinets in, and then of course we got the whiteboard over here that you guys seen in the last video. We got most of the stuff cleaned up in here now, but yeah, and then the whiteboard here that we've already been starting to use. So lots going on, lots to show you guys. Can't wait. This was a quick video just kind of show you guys where we're at right now, and that we're actually functional in here today with the team, and looking forward to what's coming out this week. So we should have a proper build video for you guys tomorrow. We're bringing in the tables in here for I can actually do a build with you guys. We're gonna do a 6700 build. So I'm looking forward to that with in a gray matter case, and then we have a 5700 XT build. A lot of people have been asking questions. They've been able to pick up some 5700s a little cheaper, and they're trying to figure out, BIOSes and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go through that too. So make sure you guys are like, subscribing, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network. Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience, providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.